Hey, John Crestani here, internet entrepreneur, and in this video I'm going to be going over whether Capitalist Exploits is a good affiliate program to work with. Now, I'm going to be addressing a few things, and we can look at this sheet. johncrestani.com/networks is what I'll be looking through, where I assess all of the various information about this affiliate program. We'll go into this on my computer, but I'll be going over a number of things, including the network information, who can apply, who can get accepted. I'll go through a walkthrough of their affiliate interface. I'll go over the top offers or top links you can use to promote it. I'll also go over support information, where you can find information on training or how to get traffic, tools, etc. And also how you get paid, okay? Whether it's PayPal, check, wire, Paxum, ACH, etc. And lastly, I'll go over, once again, how to apply for this affiliate program. We're gonna go over all of this on my computer, so let's get it. So throughout this video, I'm going to be referring back to the sheet that I've shared with you. If you want to access it to both look at this sheet and also join these affiliate networks, go to johncrestani.com/networks. And as you'll see, I have a bunch of affiliate networks listed out here. Now you can click any of these links to actually apply for the affiliate networks. And I also go over information on what countries are not able to apply for these affiliate networks, whether or not they need approval, how many offers, offer approval, if it's high ticket, etc. So let's start going through this. So for Capitalist Exploits, you would click here and you would go over to their page to join their program. You'll see the page looks like this: amazing products, amazing commissions, blah, blah, blah. And then you can sign up as an independent affiliate. Now, this is an investment program, meaning you will get high ticket commissions for this. You do need to be approved. So unlike some of the other networks, you actually have to sell yourself, and you have to sell the people on the fact that you're going to be a good affiliate, and you're not going to ask questions. You're not going to need help. You're not needy. Basically that you're not a needy little girl, that you're going to be able to go out there and figure out how to promote the products yourself. Now, there are no excluded countries for this. Once again, you can be from any country and get into this program, but again, you do need to apply. There are 5 offers. Really, there's one flagship offer called Investment Insider, which I'll go over in a second. When you join the affiliate network, if you get approved, you don't actually have to apply for any offers beyond that. You get access to all of their offers. And what's great about this is, yes, it is high ticket. This is investment, baby. And I got started in investment years ago. Back in 2012, I was marketing a gold investment. I was on a rev share program, and I would make about $3,000 per commission, which was really exciting. And I was making, I don't know, anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000 a month when I was 22 years old. So that was fun. That's a lot of money for a 22-year-old. Average commission you can expect to make is $750. The actual product that you'll be getting people to sign up for, the offer that you'll be sending people to, is this: their free investment newsletter, and you'll be getting people to sign up here. Now you might be wondering, if this is free, how am I making money? How am I making $750? The investment newsletter is free, but they have a better investment newsletter after you start getting into the funnel that costs $1,500, okay? $1,500. Yeah, $1,500. But guess what? People will gladly pay $1,500 to do better in the stock market. There's about 3 million Americans that are millionaires. There's millions of Indians that are millionaires. Even in India, right? Super poor country. There's probably about 1 million millionaires in Bangladesh too. Like, what? There are millionaires in every country, right? So people can afford it, and there's tens of millions of millionaires. So you can find one person online to put $1,500 up, okay? It's not rare to be a millionaire. So they get in their funnel, you get credit, they sign up, etc. They do not offer much support. They do not offer much tools, but they do offer really great training. Let's go into the program and actually look at their partner center. Okay, so here we are within the Capitalist Exploits Partner Center, and you'll see you can get your links here, right? Here's a link. The Insider, this is going to be the main link that you'd want to promote. The Insider landing page, okay? right here. That'll be your affiliate link, and notice that you have your ID, which is your affiliate ID right there. So this is where you will send people to sign up usually. And they have some banners for you. It looks like they haven't updated their banners in a few months, but it's very easy. You can just go in and you can take their ad copy, you can change out the banners, etc., but you don't really need to. You know, you can create your own Facebook, YouTube, etc. ads. What's really great about this program is the training, okay? They have a lot of training once you're inside. If we click training right here, and sorry, my voice is really bad. I just had a problem earlier today. So you'll see they have a lot of videos walking you through the dashboard, walking you through how to promote these products, etc. They have, you know, just a ton of videos just about how to promote their affiliate program and how to sell it and how to target your audience, how to sell, you know, an example promotion, content they give you, how to generate leads, and all sorts of other stuff. So they're very helpful. There's a lot of information, and you can make big commissions, $750 just to get one person to buy their product here. Now, the cost to join this network is zero, as I said before. They will pay you out through a number of methods. They'll send you your money when you start earning it through PayPal, through check, or through wire. And the cash out limit is $50. So you have to earn at least $50, which is gonna be easy with this program. Either you're gonna earn a lot or you're gonna earn nothing. And the link to join is right here. Now, to get your best chances at actually getting into this program, what I suggest you do is you go over here to the resources area and you read my article on how to get accepted as an affiliate, okay? This will give you some tips and information on how to be accepted as an affiliate, and I hope that helps, okay? If you're looking for more methods to getting free traffic, I have a link here, how to get traffic for free, or you could go to my YouTube channel and you can simply just go to the homepage, make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment as always, and you go down here and there are plenty of free traffic methods, which I use my own program as an example because again, I want you promoting my program because I want us making money together the most, but you can use these methods for anything. Again, you're gonna have to do a bit more thinking if you want to use my methods to promote the investment program, but you can figure it out. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know if I gave too much information or too little information. Also, let me know if this video was too short or too long, or if everything was just right in the comments below. Look forward to talking to you more. Again, we're in affiliate marketing month, so I'll be going over new affiliate networks almost every single day this entire month. Looking forward to making some money together. Let's get it. And yes, I think Capital Exploits is a great affiliate program, and I suggest you join it, as well as all of the affiliate programs on my list, frankly.